Today we are going to make a fire using just a lemon and some copper and zinc and steel wool. Okay, so first I'm going to stick 6 copper wires that are kind of rounded into my lemon. Okay, now that we have 6 of our copper things in there, we're gonna put 6 zinc nails in. Being very careful not to let any of them touch. Now we're gonna take these short and little pieces of wire and we're gonna wrap it around the very first copper and connect it to the second zinc nail, and then we're gonna do the second copper to the third zinc, so on and so forth the whole time. So we're just gonna go ahead and wrap those around. Okay, so now we have connected every other zinc nail to the copper item. We're gonna use this very first copper item as the positive and this very first zinc nail as the negative. And then we will be able to conduct our circuit. Okay, so now we're using our steel wool. We have it in this pan here. We are gonna create our circuit using the lemon attachments that we've made with the wire. And then we're gonna use a dry source, we're gonna use toilet paper. And then when we connect our circuit to the steel wool, it should conduct about 5 volts of energy. We'll see how we did. It should glow red. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and connect our circuit to the steel wool, and we'll create a short circuit by doing that, and it should light up red hot. But it's not working. So we'll have to see what's going on. Okay, so the reason why we're supposed to be able to conduct electricity through this lemon and get like a fire started is because there is a chemical change from the zinc nail. When it's in the acidic lemon, it starts to oxidize. Okay, so what it means for the zinc nail to oxidize is that it is actually exchanging electrons in the acidic lemon, and so that electron exchange causes for like a lower energy point, and so then the other energy that's released is where the power comes from to get the fire going. So the zinc atoms are dissolving into the liquid electrolyte, which is the acid from the lemon, and they are leaving 2 negatively charged electrons behind in the metal, and this process is called oxidation. So while the zinc is entering the electrolyte, 2 positively charged hydrogen ions are leaving the electrolyte and combine with 2 electrons at the copper electrode surface, and they form uncharged hydrogen molecule. Okay, so there are a couple reasons that I came up with that may be behind why my experiment didn't work out. The first being that having that many pairs in electrolyte potentially could short circuit the circuit, so therefore it didn't work and it didn't conduct any energy. The other thing that may have happened is my lemons maybe just had lost some acidity, and therefore the electrolyte didn't oxidize the zinc as it was supposed to.